This is Ria. Over the next 10 days she will listen to the Rockmelon ringtone 20 times per day. At the end of which Dr. Tomobechi predicts that Ria's chest measurement will increase 2 centimetres to 81.5 centimetres. If ringtone breast enhancement smacks of gimmickry, the theories behind it are taken very seriously indeed. Now it's time to see if in Ria's case at least, Dr. Tomobechi's claims are true. After listening to the ringtone 20 times a day for 10 days, has her chest measurement increased by 2 centimetres?
At first I didn't feel anything, but I think it's a little bit bigger.
After measuring, it was found that Ria's breast size hadn't increased by 2 centimetres, but by 3. Ria is now the proud owner of an 82.5 centimetre bust. The breast enhancement technique seems to have worked for Ria, and Dr. Tomobechi has received correspondence from women worldwide attesting to its effectiveness.